What up, guys? El Patronn here, and take a look. We are officially open for business, okay? This is our new location, one of the nicest locations that we got. And we just got some fresh inventory. As you can see, Mercedes, Infiniti, we do very well with these cars. So we got an additional 200 vehicles for the location, and they just arrived, so check it out. We're showing it to you guys. It's already on the website, and we pretty much want to get another 200 vehicles out of here. So, you know, we're open for business. Our BDC centers here, so we got almost 13 BDC reps right now. And basically, we want to invite you guys to come into the new showroom, check it out. We got popcorn for everybody, nice coffee machine, and it's all about the experience, guys. We're willing to give you a nice experience. Listen, everybody has the cars, okay? But you guys know we give you guys a good experience. We'll give you that wow factor, and you come in, and the price doesn't matter, right? If we treat you right, you're gonna buy the car. So we here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi.